This week we are going to work on music from Africa. The song that we are going to learn to sing, and we'll talk about the rhythm and pitches, is called Aram Sam Sam, and it comes from Morocco. It's a traditional folk song from there. Now I want to talk about the words first. The words are Aram Sam Sam, Guli 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 Ram Sam Sam, and then that repeats Aram Sam Sam, Guli 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 Ram Sam Sam. That's the first part. The second part, Arafi, Guli 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 Ram Sam Sam, Arafi, Guli 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 Ram Sam Sam. That's all the words. So you can hear that it's quite repetitive and really only has 3 different words. Aram Sam Sam, Guli, and Arafi. So Aram Sam Sam actually has no meaning to it. It's nonsensical, which means no meaning. Then we have Guli, which can mean tell me. And then Arafi, well, Rafi can mean friend. So we're thinking that that means friend, but in general, the song has no sense. It's just a fun, silly song that eventually we're going to try to sing as a round. So let's practice the words first. I'm first, you're second. Aram Sam Sam, Sam. Guli 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 Ram Sam Sam. Aram Sam Sam, Sam Sam. Guli 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 Ram Sam Sam. Arafi, Guli 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 Ram Sam Sam. Arafi, Guli 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 Ram Sam Sam. Excellent. So I hope that you noticed the song has 2 phrases. There's the first part that goes Aram Sam Sam, and then there's the second phrase which goes Arafi. We do each phrase twice, which makes the form A, first phrase twice, B, the second phrase twice. It's really, really quite simple. Now we're ready to learn the music. Let me sing the whole song for you, and then I will teach it to you. Aram Sam Sam, Guli 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 Ram Sam Sam, Aram Sam Sam, Guli 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 Ram Sam Sam, Arafi, Guli 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 Ram Sam Sam, Arafi, Guli 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 Ram Sam Sam. Not too hard, right? So again, I'm first, you're second. I'll point to me when it's my turn. I'll point to you when it's your turn. 1, 2, here I go. Aram Sam Sam, Ram Sam Sam, Ram Sam Sam, Ram Sam. Guli 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 Ram Sam Sam, Guli 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 Ram Sam. Aram Sam Sam, Ram Sam Sam, Ram Sam Sam, Ram Sam. Guli 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 Ram Sam Sam, Guli 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 Ram Sam. Arafi, Guli 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 Ram Sam Sam, Guli 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 Ram Sam. Arafi, Guli 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 Ram Sam Sam, Guli 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 Ram Sam Sam. Excellent. Now, if you think you need more help with that, feel free to repeat that part of the video as many times as you need, but generally it's pretty simple. So now that you think you might have it, let's try singing it together. Here we go. 1, 2, Aram, here we go. Aram Sam Sam, Guli 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 Ram Sam Sam, Aram Sam Sam, Guli 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 Ram Sam Sam, Arafi, Guli 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 Ram Sam Sam, Arafi, Guli 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 Ram Sam Sam. That's it. But now let's try adding the movements. So movements are just, the first part is just banging our fists together. So, ram sam sam, ram sam sam. Try that much. 1, 2, together and go. Ram sam sam, ram sam sam. Gooly, we're gonna twist our hands together. Gooly, 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 ram. Oh, and when we get back to the ram sam sam, try to hit your fists together again. Gooly, 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 ram sam sam. So that's the first phrase. Let's try the first phrase twice, the way that it is in the song. Fists, twisting, and at the end of the phrase, be ready to do the fists again. 1, 2, here we go. Oh, ram sam sam, oh, ram sam sam, gooly, 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 ram sam sam, oh, ram sam sam, oh, ram sam sam, gooly, 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 ram sam sam. Excellent. Okay, the second phrase starts with one fist bump, Rafi, and then come back. Rafi, Rafi. Try that. 1, 2, ready and go. Rafi, Rafi. And then gooly gooly is the same. Gooly 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 ram sam sam. That is the same way that the first phrase ended. Let's try the second phrase twice. 2 fist bumps and the longer note. 1, 2, here we go. Rafi, Rafi, gooly, 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 ram sam sam. Rafi, Rafi, gooly, 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 ram sam sam. Excellent. All right, now let's try the 2 phrases together with the movements. 1, 2, here we go. Oh, ram sam sam, oh, ram sam sam, gooly, 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 ram sam sam, oh, ram sam sam, oh, ram sam sam, gooly, 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 ram sam sam, oh, Rafi, gooly, 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 ram sam sam, oh, Rafi, gooly, 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 ram sam sam. Excellent. Now we get a little bit more tricky. So now we can try the song in a round. So a round means that we sing it in 2 parts, and one group goes first and one group goes second. Now, we don't really have groups, but we do have video editing. So what we'll do is I'm gonna sing the song, and we're going to have me sing the song first, and then I'm gonna sing the song second, and there'll be 2 videos of me. You get to choose which one do you want to join. So you might sing with me first, and then you might try singing with me second. We'll do it twice, so you'll have the opportunity to do both, or you can do the same one if you struggled the first time. So now, we're gonna try this in a round, which is a little bit tricky. Watch whichever one of me you're gonna watch, either the first me or the second me, and just follow me the best you can. Here we go. One, 2, here we go. Oh, ram sam sam, oh, ram sam sam, gooly, 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 ram sam sam, oh, ram sam sam, oh, ram sam sam, gooly, 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 ram sam sam, oh, ram sam sam, oh, ram sam sam, gooly, 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 ram sam sam, oh, ram sam sam, oh, ram sam sam, gooly, 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 ram sam sam, oh, ram sam sam, oh, ram sam sam, gooly, 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 ram sam sam, oh, ram sam sam, oh, ram sam sam, gooly, 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 ram sam sam, oh, ram sam sam, oh, ram sam sam, gooly, 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 ram sam sam, oh, ram sam sam, oh, ram sam sam, gooly, 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 ram sam sam, oh, Rafi, gooly, 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 ram sam sam, oh, Rafi, gooly, 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 ram sam sam. All right, I hope you had fun trying those rounds. I hope you had a chance to practice both. If not, you might go back and try the video again. But in any case, there was a Ram Sam Sam in a round, movements and all. I hope you enjoyed.